Forgery. Person is guilty of forgery if, with intent to injure or defraud, he or she attempts to, falsely make, complete, or alter a written instrument. Yes. Of all the signatures in the dissolution of marriage, how many of them are the actual signature of the woman that I married? Yes. And then how many of the signatures are not the actual person that I married? Yes. Now, complete written instrument means one which is fully drawn with respect to every essential feature thereof. Yes. Now, it's easy to see, right, the forgery right now. Well, falsely complete a written instrument means to transform or an incomplete. Yeah. hmm Forged instrument means a written instrument which has been made, falsely made, completed, or altered. Yes. Now, the forging of the criminal complaint. Yeah. Is that a forgery? Oh, well, when you completed, yes, the criminal complaint, yes. And yesterday I informed you that the identifying information was incorrect, yes, because of the falsification of my identity, yes. Is this a forgery of what is known as a criminal complaint? Now, I would say it's not admissible as evidence, yes, when the information provided is fraudulent. And when I asked you to remove it, right, because I wasn't in Brendan, Washington, yes, and I wasn't cyber stalking, yes, does the state of Washington have an obligation to remove what really is a forged document known as a criminal complaint? Now, since you have falsely completed a written instrument, yes, to transform an incomplete instrument without authority, falsely make a written instrument means draw. Since you made a criminal complaint, a written instrument means any paper, document, or other instrument containing written or printed matter or its equivalent. Any access device, token, stamp, seal, badge, trademark, yes, or other evidence or symbol of value, right, privilege, or identification. Now, I would say this is identification. Yes. hmm hmm I could probably walk into a business and say, this is my identifying information. In fact, if I lost my identity, yes, could I go to the driver's license and present this to them? Well, I would say that the court would have to verify its authenticity. And since I could use this to have my state issued ID reissued, good. I would say that I'm suing you for it. Now, when it is an actual court document, yes, file, August 8th, 2007, and it involves the identifying information of the accused known as the defendant, yes. Is it admissible, yes, or permissible? Yes, it is. To reissue any other identifying information. Now, if I went to the clerk of the court, yes, there was this idea of Exhibit A, Jack, the forgeries of the initials of the county clerk. Yeah. Well, what if I wanted it verified? Would Jefferson County have to provide some verification that it is an actual? Well, it's fraudulent. It's not admissible as evidence, but if I didn't tell you that, you would believe it is. Yes. So at what point do you decide that you're not going to allow for forged documents? Yes. Jack, record certification. I certify that the copy is a correct copy of the original on the date filed in this office and was taken under the clerk's direction and control, Clallam County Clerk, KEM, number of pages 6. Yes. Of 22 pages. Now, since I can get this record certified as being true and correct, maybe I should falsify my driver's license. Yes, he should. He should fucking do it right.